wasps were flying around, preying on insects that they saw out and about. Just similar to how wasps diversified from sawflies, some of those wasps decided, hey, some of these flowers that are starting to evolve around us have really attractive nectar in them, which is full of energy, full of sugars that these animals break down and use as their primary food source. But they also noticed that these flowers are full of protein-rich pollen. And some of those wasps realized that, hey, I've been gathering this protein-rich food from prey, but actually, I might be able to feed my young protein-rich pollen instead. And so a group of these wasps decided again that they no longer were into the hunting lifestyle. They decided to grow their hair out and become the hippies of the wasp world. And so basically the major difference between bees and wasps is what they feed their young. Both of these animals rely on nectar from flowers as adults for their primary energy source, but clearly, as we just went through, wasps feed their young protein-rich prey remains, whereas bees feed their young protein-rich pollen. And it's because of this major difference between what they feed their young that bees developed slowly over hundreds of millions of years these dense scopi, or hairs on them. And fascinatingly enough, every species of bee has very different hairs on them. Some of them are branched, some of them are more curly, and actually scientists who really want to get into the nitty-gritty of species will look at these animals underneath a microscope and look at their hairs at the cellular level to determine the species level. That's how unique and specialized these hairs are. And these bees use their hairs for a huge amount of a wide variety of ways, to again find and collect pollen.